world of rare sports cars is filled with fascinating stories, but few are as unusual and intriguing as the story behind the one-off 1988 TVR prototype known as the White Elephant. In the realm of automotive history, prototypes often represent the boldest ideas of a manufacturer, concepts that push design, engineering, and performance into new territory. Many of these experimental vehicles never reach production, and some quietly disappear into company archives or private collections. Yet occasionally, a prototype survives the passage of time and resurfaces decades later, offering enthusiasts a rare glimpse into the creative processes and ambitions of a car manufacturer during a pivotal moment in its history. That is precisely the case with the 1988 TVR White Elephant prototype, a unique machine that was once driven by the man who helped shape modern TVR and which is now being offered for sale. To understand why this particular car matters, it is important to consider the broader context surrounding TVR during the late 20th century. TVR has long been known as one of Britain's most unconventional sports car manufacturers. Founded in 1947, the company built its reputation on producing lightweight, high-performance sports cars that emphasized raw driving excitement over luxury or refinement. Unlike many larger manufacturers, TVR was never afraid to experiment with bold designs and powerful engines. This willingness to take risks helped the brand cultivate a loyal following among enthusiasts who appreciated cars that delivered thrilling performance and distinctive styling. By the mid-1980s, TVR was entering a new chapter in its history. In 1981, businessman Peter Wheeler purchased the struggling company and began reshaping its direction. Wheeler was not just a corporate owner. He was a passionate car enthusiast who believed deeply in the spirit of TVR. Under his leadership, the company began focusing on producing powerful sports cars that emphasized performance, individuality, and mechanical character. One of Wheeler's early decisions was to replace the Ford V8 engines that had powered several TVR models with V8 engines sourced from Rover. This move dramatically increased the performance of TVR cars and helped redefine the brand's identity during the 1980s. It was during this transformative period that the White Elephant prototype was created. Built in 1988, the car represented an experimental project intended to explore potential new directions for TVR's future models. The vehicle's distinctive wedge-shaped design reflected the styling trends of the era, when many sports cars adopted sharp angles and low-slung profiles that emphasized aerodynamic performance and visual drama. Although the design may appear unconventional today, it perfectly captured the spirit of late 1980s sports car design. Despite its striking appearance, the White Elephant was never intended to become a mass-produced model in its original form. Instead, it functioned as a development platform, a prototype that allowed engineers and designers to test new ideas and evaluate different mechanical configurations. What made this prototype particularly unusual, however, was the engine chosen to power it. Most TVR models of the late 1980s relied on Rover's V8 engines, which were themselves derived from an earlier American design originally produced by Buick. These engines were lightweight, relatively compact, and capable of producing impressive performance in TVR's lightweight sports cars. For the White Elephant prototype, however, TVR experimented with something different. Rather than using a Rover-built engine, the company sourced a powerful 5.0-liter V8 from Holden Special Vehicles, commonly known as HSV. HSV served as the high-performance division of the Australian automaker Holden and was closely associated with motorsport development during the 1980s. The particular engine used in the White Elephant had been developed for the Holden Commodore VLSS Group ASV, a limited production performance sedan built to satisfy homologation requirements for international Group A racing. The Commodore VLSS Group ASV may not be widely recognized outside Australia, but within the country it holds a legendary status among enthusiasts. Produced in limited numbers, the car was designed specifically to compete in Group A touring car championships, where manufacturers built special road-going versions of their race cars to meet regulatory requirements. As a result, the engine developed for the VLSS Group ASV was a high-performance unit capable of delivering strong power and durability under demanding conditions. Installing this engine into the TVR prototype created a fascinating blend of British sports car design and Australian high-performance engineering. It was an unconventional combination that reflected TVR's willingness to explore unusual solutions in pursuit of performance. The resulting car possessed a character unlike any other TVR ever built. While the White Elephant prototype represented an intriguing experiment, the project ultimately did not lead to a production model. TVR eventually decided to move in a different direction, abandoning both the wedge-shaped design and the HSV-sourced engine. In many cases, prototypes that fail to progress into production are quietly dismantled or stored away indefinitely. Yet the White Elephant story took a different path. Instead of disappearing into obscurity, the prototype continued to live an active life on public roads. Peter Wheeler himself took a particular interest in the car and used it as a personal vehicle for several years. During this time, the White Elephant accumulated approximately 27,000 miles, demonstrating that it was far more than just a static display piece. It became a functional and regularly driven car, experiencing real-world use rather than simply serving as a museum artifact. Wheeler's personal connection to the vehicle added an extra layer of charm to its story. Known for his eccentric personality and love of unusual ideas, Wheeler even made a unique modification to the car. He installed a special seat designed specifically for his dog. This unusual feature reflected Wheeler's playful approach to car ownership and became one of the many quirky details associated with the prototype. In addition to the dog seat, the car also featured storage space for Wheeler's hunting equipment, further emphasizing that the vehicle served as a genuine personal machine rather than merely a corporate experiment. For more than a decade, Wheeler kept the White Elephant as part of his personal collection. However, in 2004, he decided to sell the car. Interestingly, the sale occurred only a week before Wheeler sold the entire TVR company to Russian businessman Nikolai Smolensky for approximately £15 million. This timing marked the end of an era for TVR, as Wheeler's departure signaled a significant shift in the company's leadership and future direction. By the time the White Elephant changed hands, the car had begun to show the wear and tear expected from a vehicle that had been driven regularly for many years. Its condition was far from pristine, and it required substantial restoration work to return it to its former glory. Fortunately, the new owner, Howard Bryan, recognized the historical importance of the prototype and committed himself to an ambitious restoration effort. Bryan spent nearly a decade overseeing the car's revival. Rather than attempting the project alone, he assembled a team that included numerous former TVR factory employees who had first-hand knowledge of the company's engineering and construction methods. Their expertise proved invaluable in restoring the car while preserving its original character. The restoration process involved carefully rebuilding many of the car's mechanical systems and addressing structural issues that had developed over time. The engine was refurbished, bodywork was repaired and refinished, and interior components were restored to reflect the car's original appearance. Throughout the process, extensive documentation was created, including hundreds of photographs that recorded each stage of the work. By the time the restoration was completed, the White Elephant had been transformed from a worn prototype into a beautifully preserved piece of automotive history. The project ensured that this unique vehicle would not be lost to time, allowing future generations of enthusiasts to appreciate its significance. In 2024, the car entered a new chapter when it was acquired by Ed Gibson of Shmoo Automotive. Gibson, a specialist in rare and unusual vehicles, recognized the historical importance of the prototype and added it to his collection. However, he drove the car only sparingly, covering just a handful of miles during his ownership. His primary focus was ensuring that the vehicle remained in excellent condition while preserving the extensive documentation associated with its restoration. Today, the White Elephant appears to be in exceptional shape both inside and out. The engine has been rebuilt, and the vehicle is accompanied by a comprehensive history file that includes detailed records and photographic evidence from the restoration process. This documentation provides valuable insight into the car's history and adds to its appeal among collectors. Now, Gibson has decided to offer the prototype for sale. While he has not publicly listed a specific asking price, he has indicated that he would consider serious offers exceeding £100,000. Converted to other currencies, this figure represents more than $132,500 for buyers in the United States, or over €115,800 for those in continental Europe. If the car sells for such a sum, it will join a very small group of TVR vehicles that have achieved six-figure sale prices. Although the White Elephant may not be universally regarded as the most beautiful TVR ever created, its historical significance is undeniable. As a one-off prototype developed during a crucial period in the company's evolution, the car represents a unique chapter in TVR's story. It reflects the experimental spirit that has always defined the brand, a willingness to explore unconventional ideas and push the boundaries of sports car design. Vehicles like this remind us that automotive history is not shaped solely by mass-produced models. Sometimes the most interesting stories belong to the cars that never reached production, the prototypes that existed only briefly before being replaced by other ideas. These vehicles capture moments of creativity and ambition, offering glimpses into the decisions that ultimately shaped the direction of a company. The survival of the White Elephant prototype is therefore remarkable. Instead of being forgotten or dismantled, it continued to exist, accumulating miles on public roads and eventually undergoing a meticulous restoration that preserved its character. Today, it stands as a tangible reminder of the vision and enthusiasm that defined TVR during the late 20th century. For collectors and enthusiasts, opportunities to acquire such a vehicle are extremely rare. Owning a one-off prototype associated with a legendary figure like Peter Wheeler represents far more than simply purchasing a car. It means becoming a caretaker of an important artifact, one that carries with it the stories, innovations, and personalities that helped shape a beloved automotive brand. As the White Elephant prepares to change hands once again, it continues to embody the adventurous spirit that has always characterized TVR. Whether displayed in a private collection or driven occasionally on the open road, this remarkable prototype deserves to be preserved and appreciated for generations to come, ensuring that its unusual and captivating story remains part of automotive history.